Hi guys, it's Robert here, Robert Domenko. You can find my link below, so if you want to go to my site. But today I'm going to be doing a great review on CPA Cash Machine. Yes, this came over my desk a few days ago, and I had a review of it. It's a training program. The CPA Cash Machine is a new way of doing CPA marketing. This young guy, Nelson, he created his own way of doing CPA marketing, and it worked. It's different to anything else on the market. I was a bit blown away how he did it. He made it look so easy. He tried out with some of his friends who had never done this before, and they made money as well. This training program is awesome. But I'm going to show you, and I'll talk a bit more bit about later, but there's two things I want to bring up to your attention. Watch to the end of this review, and I will be giving three great bonuses that you can use in conjunction with this particular product. Awesome, but you need to watch to the end. There's three great bonuses. I'll be giving a URL, and you'll be able to quickly type that up and get those three bonuses directly from this website. So a great way of getting bonus, even if without buying this particular product. But if you do want to buy this product, click on the link down below. Now. Also, I'm going to be giving five bonuses that I think really complimentary. It'll give you some more insight, more information, especially if you want to become an affiliate marketer. Some great training programs. They're very unique, exclusive to me. I'm going to show you how I did it. I've been now doing it for a couple of years, and I'm loving the lifestyle. Absolutely great lifestyle. I was in the corporate world as a senior manager, very senior manager for a large corporations. A lot of pressure, tired of working, getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning, going to work at 7, coming home at 6, 7 o'clock at night, missing out all, getting tired, just doing felt like Groundhog Day all the time. This is a new lifestyle for me. Mind you, it took me a while to get up to speed. I tried it several times over the last decade. I failed a few times, only because I wasn't being persistent. Persistent. You need to do it a little bit each day, or you need a lot each day for starting off. But eventually, you can reduce the amount of effort you put in because you get more experience in doing this. So, guys, without further ado, I'm going to show you the products. The bonuses I'm going to give you. The first one, when you become an affiliate marketer, you will be getting people on your mailing list, and they're extremely valuable. Now, the market says they're worth $2 per person per month on average. So the bigger list you get, and the better, more profits you're going to earn. I've certainly experienced this, but one of the big things I've learned is how to make better profits per person, more than just the $2 per person per year. And I'm going to be showing you how I did this on my list. So this is great. This is great. Actually, I think it's probably more than about 3 or 4 times that I did it. So great tips here. So watch out for this. You're going to love it. The second thing, well, how'd you get the list, Robert? Well, I'm going to show you how I got my list. It's a hands-on guide. It's going to boost your buyers list. There's certain things over the years I've learned, and I spent lots and lots of training dollars learning it from different people, some really great affiliate marketers, and I've taken that on board, and I'm showing you how I do mine. So fantastic. But remember, you can get these bonuses only if you purchase this CPA Cash Machine through me. Now, Facebook is a great way of making money. The products at the end of the review, the extra bonuses, you don't have to even purchase it. You can download, and there are some tools that I'm going to give you to help you do this as well. Facebook is a great way to make income. Great way. Now, we all seen those ads coming up on our Facebook pages. I'm going to show you how I did mine, how I made lots of money from my single post. So watch out for it, guys. It's worth a lot more than $875. I can tell you, it's gold, actual gold. Similar, Instagram, it's gold as well. I'm going to show you some little tricks how I made making an income, a good income, that will be you can use and copy it and learn how to do it and make a good income. Now I'm making more money now from being a affiliate and marketer than I ever did as a corporate person. Now I've got 3 children, family, and it costs a fair bit to look after them, so that gives you an indication how well I'm going. And finally, I'm going to give you some inner secrets of how I build product promotions online. Really, this is how I did it, guys. This is probably the best secret I can share with you guys. I'm sure you're going to love it. So remember, if you want to get a copy, click on the links, or go down below, or click on the link down below, and you're going to love it, guys. You're going to love it. Now, quickly, I'm going to show you the product that they did. It's a really quite a simple thing. It's not a difficult methodology he's used. You don't need anything special. You just need to be persistent. You need to trust it. And it does work, guys. I did it for one day, and I recovered about 3 times the amount of money just doing the simple follow his process. And I was a bit skeptical when I started off with, but it does work. It does work, guys. Try it. And when he does do it, what I love, he believes in this product so much. He believes he's going to give you an extra $50 if it doesn't work. Yes, you heard right, $50 extra. So what have you got to lose, guys? It only costs $15.44. I don't know where you came the number came up with, but only $15.44. So wow, guys, what do you say? He really does believe, Nelson really believes in this product and how he makes money. So why not give it a try? Now, guys, I'm going to be giving you the 3 bonuses for just watching my review video of CPA Cash Machine. Now, got a pen and paper, or take a screenshot. Now, on the screen now is a URL. Type it in, and you'll get to a page where you'll be able to access these 3 additional bonuses. The 3 bonuses, let me just show you. There's the first bonus is, let me just drag it across. I'm going to give you 3,500. That's right, 3,500 motivational quotes so you can put on Facebook. That's a couple of years worth of keeping your customers engaged. You put 2 or 3 a day. Don't overwhelm them. They're good, great ideas for people to make them feel good. Engage with them. Treat them like human beings, and you will get results from them. Or maybe become a web friend with them, guys. 3,500. It's lots and lots of images. As well, I'm going to give you 4,500 other images that you can put on Instagram or also on Facebook. There's a whole bunch of different titles. There's birthdays, dies, dogs, families, fitness, food, friendship, marriage. Marriage is an interesting one. There's a lot of different icons, a lot of different items you can look at. Let me look at a few, make it a bit larger so you can see it. See, there's lots and lots of interesting items that things that people might like to listen to and have very thought-provoking items. There's motivational ones as well. There's it's a lot of stuff that you can love. People love to listen to and like to have a look at. So great value. So guys, I'm sure you're going to love it. And the third one, I'm just going to quickly speak about it. I do a lot of ClickBank marketing, and that makes me a fairly good piece of income. I'm going to show you how I did it, step-by-step instructions, and you'll be able to download it, and you can see make it quite easy for you how to make an income from ClickBank. So guys, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. I hope you like this review. Please subscribe and like my station. And remember, you can always purchase a product by clicking on the link down below. You get the 5 bonuses plus the CPA Cash Machine. So you will love this, guys. For $15.44, you can't go wrong. And if you got 30-day warranty, plus you'll give you $50 back if you don't like it. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next review, and make sure I'll also do some free tips on certain things. So look out for those, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.